welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Guess what cooking for dinner, people? I'm doing some chicken tonight. It's a Mediterranean style. I got 4 pieces of chicken breast here, people. Washed and clean, ready to go. I'm gonna get it marinated right now, people. So I got some Greek spices here. I'm putting on a tablespoon of Greek spice, guys. And a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, guys, going on there. This is going right on the grill, guys. And I got 4 garlic cloves here, guys, going in. Plus I got a teaspoon of oregano, guys, and I got fresh lemon here. But before that, I'm gonna put a pinch of dry parsley in this, some color. I'm gonna squeeze a half a lemon juice right on here. Then, guys, olive oil. Olive oil, people. You need that on your chicken. That's about a 1/4 cup. And I'm just gonna rub that right in, guys. Guys, this is my dinner tonight. And guys, I'm making this with some couscous salad. I'm gonna get that going in a while. My grill is hot right now. Outside, I'm just marinating this chicken and it's going right on the grill. All right, so that's it. We're gonna go outside, guys. Stay with me. Okay, guys, the chicken, they're going down right now. The grill is nice and hot. Beautiful. Guys, it's a beautiful day today in Canada. For those of you guys who are out of Canada, it's beautiful, nice and hot today. I stay for the barbecue. Take a look at that, people. The grill is so hot. This nice mark the moment the chicken touched the grill, guys. And I also got some peppers over there grilling up. Those peppers, they're for the couscous salad I'm making. So I'm grilling off the peppers today, guys. And that's gonna cut up and go right inside the couscous salad. I'm just gonna twist those to get a nice mark on it, guys. That nice char on the outside. Looking beautiful. Guys, look how nice that is. Those are looking beautiful. Wow. Nice mark on the outside, guys. That's how you do it. That's how I cook it up, guys. Flavor turned up again. Look at the peppers. I'm just grilling them just to get some nice grilled smoky flavor inside of it. And then I'm gonna pull them off and cut them out, guys. Right in my couscous salad, guys. I'm eating healthy today. Okay, guys, so it's time to make the couscous salad. Guys, look at the pot. It's boiling right now. I got a teaspoon of butter here I'm gonna put right inside just to flavor the water, guys. And a little bit of garlic powder going inside as well. And guys, I'm gonna shake a little bit of black pepper. Just a pinch. I'll also add some salt to taste. And a little bit of olive oil, guys. Right inside. Water. And shut that off, guys. The couscous is going right inside the water. You put enough couscous to you want to leave like a half an inch over. If the water is too much, you can throw some off because you don't want your couscous to and guys, you cover that down until it comes all the way up to the top. You need uncover and fluff it, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. Okay, guys, it's absorbing all the water right now. That's what you want it to look like. Just cover it down, guys, and let it sit for a few more minutes. I'm gonna uncover it. All the steam will cook the couscous, guys. And this is what it looks like in the pack, guys. That's the couscous right there, really small grains. And this is the box. I mean, there are different brands you can find in the store, but this is what I use. And that's gonna make my couscous salad, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys in a few more minutes what it looks like. Okay, guys, so this is the grilled pepper. Pepper is red and green I got here. Just get these off the grill. I'm just gonna remove some of the skin from this right now, guys. And then I'm gonna dice these up, and they're going right in the couscous. It's covered down right now. I'm gonna unopen it soon. You get these peppers right inside. So when you grill it, the skin start coming off, guys. So you gotta peel it right off. When it's nice and hot, it's easier to come off. All right. So I'll show you guys the way I mix the couscous in a few minutes. Get these all off. Can be a pain if you don't take it off when it's hot. Get all of that skin right off, guys. And we're gonna have a nice dinner tonight, guys. Healthy meal. That's it. I think I get enough skin off this. Just gonna start cut it up right now. Oh, there's another piece over here, guys. Look at that. Alright guys, let's set that aside. We're gonna start dice these and get them right into the salad. And I got some onion here chopped up, guys. I want to put inside my couscous as well. You can use red onions. It's a nice flavor for your couscous. And another thing I want to show you guys, I got some sweet potato here, guys. Sweet potato. I cooked that off for a few minutes, drain the water, cool it down. So this salad is gonna be a warm couscous salad. Then you can use it for your cold couscous salad. Nice, look at that. Alright, so guys, it's gonna be good. Alright, I'm gonna get some feta cheese, guys, and I'm gonna dice it up because I'm putting some feta inside the couscous salad. Okay guys, so I removed the cover. Look at that. It's like magic. Nice and fluffy. Guys, you don't want to have the water boiling. You shut it off as soon as the couscous go inside, guys. Or you can just turn off the fire before and then put in your couscous. Make sure there's no heat going on there, guys. Just the hot water and it's ready. Look at that. It's ready to make my salad. I'm gonna get it right in that bowl over there, guys, and we're gonna add the rest of our stuff to it. Okay guys, so I got some feta cheese here. I'm putting inside. I mean, you guys don't have to use feta. I mean, you can substitute for whether some beans or something that you have in your fridge you want to use up. You can use inside. But I'm just using some feta cheese in there, guys. I like feta. Just dice it up and throw them inside. And I also have some corn and some tomatoes here already cut up, guys. And the couscous is actually ready. Guys, I'm gonna put that right inside the bowl right now. Look at that. Just keep on stirring that up, guys. Get it nice and fluff. Alright. So guys, right now I'm gonna add the sweet potato to this. And guys, we're gonna add the peppers. Those are going in. Onions. And the tomatoes. And the corn going inside. Guys, feta cheese. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, I just want to remove this board so you guys can see what's going on inside. Take a good look. Here you are. Beautiful. Looking good, guys. Guys, I'm just gonna squeeze a tidbit of lemon juice in here. Wow. That's like a teaspoon, guys. Just gonna mix this all together. And guys, I just want to drizzle a little bit more olive oil over there just to loosen up the couscous a bit. That's it right there. Okay guys, I'm gonna put a bit of parsley right inside here. Take a look at that. Voila. Shake some oregano in there. Guys, that salad is ready. It's looking good, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Okay guys, I'm gonna get my chicken all cut up and ready to go for this salad, and we're gonna have some dinner. You guys stay tuned. Okay guys, it's time to get it on the plate. All right, I'm plating right now, guys. Look at that baby, looking beautiful. All right guys, I think that's enough on my plate right now. Looking good. Guys, it's time to get a piece of chicken breast right in there. I'm gonna cut up right now. It's mouth watering, guys. I know you guys want to eat right now. So let's get a piece of chicken right here on my board. Guys, I'm just gonna cut this. Get it on there. Right, guys, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at that. Voila. Beautiful. And guys, you do that. Piece of parsley beside it for garnish. Guys, it's looking beautiful. A little bit of sprinkle. Voila. Guys, that's ready to eat. Mouth watering, guys. All right, guys. You guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna eat right now, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to this channel, guys. You guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next vlog.